welcome back to the channel. Thanks for joining. I'm Erica Hughes. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, leave me a comment, hit the like button, share, all that jazz. Helps support my channel, and it's a free and easy way for you to support my channel. That is if you like my video. So today we're doing a 16 by 20 inch deep edge canvas, and we're doing a blowout and spin. The second part of the video is 24 hours later. The painting has dried, and then I kind of take it to the next level with a bit of spray paint, so that was a lot of fun. So please stay tuned to the second part of the video. And yeah, I'll be doing the blowout and spin in-person courses and some other courses in Delray Beach, Florida in October. Details to sign up are in the description box underneath this video, and I hope to see some of you guys there. All right, I'll pop back in probably when we're spray painting. Talk soon. Enjoy. Okay, so now let's take this painting to the next level. I hope you guys like this. I really enjoyed doing it, and I cannot wait to explore more with the spray paints on some dried pours. If you do spray paint, please research all the safety precautions. You have to have a mask, you have to have ventilation. Do your research before you play with spray paint. Let me know what you guys think. Should I have left the painting the way it is? Or do you like the spray paint? It was a lot of fun. Practiced on an old canvas, something like that, just to get the idea of how, you know, each can of spray paint is different. Some go softer spray, some spray harder. I'm definitely no spray paint expert. Let me know if you guys have any tips, or if there's any spray paint artists when it comes to abstract art or anything like that, and I'll check them out. But it was a lot of fun, and I hope you guys enjoyed the painting. I love the final results. Let me know, do you like this, or should I kept it the way it was? Right. Talk soon, guys. Bye.